In science, we love to ask questions. Scientists love asking questions, and it's because they really want to know the answer. They want to know things, and I think everybody does. But sometimes we can ask some funny questions, right? There's a difference between asking how fast do things fall and how much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood. A woodchuck can't chuck wood. You can't see if how much wood would a woodchuck chuck, okay? It's a stupid question. No, but seriously, there's different types of questions that are better than others. The reason being is because some questions are testable and some are non-testable. For example, if I were to ask, how fast do things fall? I can test this. I can put something up high, and then I can check the distance between it, and then I can set a timer. As soon as I let go of it, I set a timer, and I can see how fast it fell. But I can't see if winter is better than summer. You see what I mean? That's not something I can test, whether winter is better than summer. A better question that is testable is, do more people like winter or do more people like summer? See where I'm getting at? There's this criteria of being able to establish what is true. I can't ask a question that doesn't have a way to be testable. If it doesn't have a way to be testable, then I can't figure out if it's true or not. Another example of a non-testable question is pink the prettiest color, or is pink prettier than blue? Well, I can't really test this. There's no scale for prettiness, but I can test, do more people think pink is prettier than blue? Or do more people think pink is better than blue? I can't test that because I can just go around and ask people, do you think pink is prettier than blue? And I'll get a number of how many people like pink over blue. That's something I can test. But the first question was, is pink the prettiest color? I can't really test that. That's not something you can test. There's no law of prettiness. Another non-testable question is snow the best weather? That's not really a testable question. There's no law in the universe that says a season is better than another season, but I can ask the question, do more people like snow than other weather? Do more people like snow? Do people like snow more than rain and sun and cloudiness or not? So if you notice, non-testable questions tend to be questions that depends on how much people like something. And testable questions are something that you can test and get an answer to. It's something that can be tested and get an answer to. Non-testable questions is something that you cannot get an answer to. Okay, it's something that cannot be tested and you cannot get an answer to. Okay, and they tend to be questions that revolve around people's interests, likes, and dislikes. So non-testable questions. So go out and come up with your own testable and non-testable questions. The non-testable questions, don't test them because you can't test them. With the testable questions, go out and test them and find out the answer. And remember, stay in school.